Hello pool players, this is a continuation from my last video. I'm going to show you something really cool here. We're going to take a look at a side angle in slow motion of how I push through the cue ball. There's one key factor that you must know. It's going to help your game big time. Now the shot that I'm going to be shooting is this one right here where I put it in that corner pocket, that 8 ball. I'm trying to get shape on this 9. So I'm going to shoot it in real time and then we're going to take a look at the slow motion angle of it. So now let's take a look at the slow motion view. So let's go ahead and take a look at this side view in real time. And then we're going to slow it way down. So now as you watch this cue go forward, I want you to see if you can notice something. Now that was at half speed. We're going to slow it down even more so you can kind of pick up on this. Did you see it? Well, let's get a little bit closer and take a better look. Notice as I pull the cue back, I want you to pay close attention to the tip of the cue. I don't know if you can see it there, but I go very slowly for the first 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. So now let's take a look at this even closer. Notice how I accelerate after I hit the 3/4 inch mark. When I discovered this was a game changer for me. My shot making consistency and my position play turned out to be much better once I started doing this. And you can see the acceleration after the 3/4 inch mark. What I think is happening here is I'm setting my muscles in motion, my pushing muscles, so I don't have an abrupt transition from my backswing to my forward motion. If I'm too abrupt, I lose control of my cue. And by controlling my forward motion through a smooth transition, my consistency has really gone up. So to recap, as you push through the cue ball, make sure that you move your cue forward 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch before acceleration. By doing this, your cue will move smoothly down the shot line. And when our cue moves straight down the shot line, we become more consistent with our shot making. Pretty good stuff that I know is going to help your game. If you guys found this to be helpful, please share this video because it really helps my channel. Also hit that thumbs up as that helps with the algorithm. And if you want to see another great video on our stroke, watch that one right there. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.